Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in previous video we were doing exercise 7th B. Now today in the continuation of this exercise, let's start with the question number 9. Question number 9 is, the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is 3 times the lowest marks minus 7. मतलब जो highest marks हैं वो कितने हैं? 3 times the lowest marks minus 7. So मान लेते हैं, let the lowest marks be x. So the highest marks will be 3 times the lowest marks means x minus 7. So the highest marks will be 3x minus 7. Now further they said, if the highest marks are 86, मतलब this is equals to 86 because we have found that this is the highest marks and in number according to the question highest marks are 86. So these two will be equal, right? So 3x minus 7 should be equals to 86. Now from this equation we will find the value of x. Firstly move this 7 to the another side. 3x is equals to 86 plus 7. 3x is equal to 86 plus 7 means 93. 3x means 3 multiply x. So when we will move this 3 to the another side, this will be in division now. 93 divided by 3. And 93 divided by 3 is equals to 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So this is the value of x. And what was x? X tha kya? X lowest marks, right? And in the question they were asking the lowest marks. So the lowest marks is 31. Next question, question number 10. Benny thinks of a number. Benny कोई एक नंबर सोचता है. Let the number is x. मान लेते हैं वो नंबर क्या उन्होंने सोचा? x सोचा. Subtract 18 from it. फिर इसमें से क्या किया? Subtract किया 18 and divide the difference. ये जो difference आया है इसको divide किया by 3. The result is -4. जो answer आया that should be equals to -4. What is the number? They are asking about this number x. So we will solve it. X minus 18 divided by 3 can also be written as this upon 3 minus 4. This is in division. After moving to this side, this will be in multiplication. So this is equals to x minus 18 is equals to minus 4 multiply 3. So x minus 18 is equals to 4 3s are 12 of minus sign. Now you want to find the value of this x now. So move this 18 to the another side. X is equals to minus 12. We already have. After moving to the another side, minus 18 will be of plus sign. Now these two numbers are of different sign. So we will subtract them. 18 minus 12, 6, and sign will be of greater numeral which is 18 and its sign is plus. So this will be of plus sign. So this was the number, right? Next question, question number 11. Mr. Grover is 3 times as old as his son. So मान लेते हैं कि सन की एज क्या है? x है. Now the age of Grover will be क्या होगी? 3 times as old as his son. सन की एज से 3 टाइम है. It means 3x. Now further they said the sum of their ages is 48. That means sum of the age of his son and the sum of the age of Mr. Grover. The sum is x plus 3x is equals to 48. This x can be written as 1x. Now these are like terms. So add them. 1x plus 3x, 4x is equals to 48. 4x means 4 multiply x. So you want to find the value of x now. Move this to the another side. After moving to the another side, this will be of division. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the value of x is 12. And what was x? X क्या था? X was the age of his son. So age of his son is 12 years. बट इन द क्वेश्चन दे आर आस्किंग हाउ ओल्ड इज ईच, दोनों की एज पूछी है। तो एज ऑफ सन की एज क्या गिवन है 12 विच वी हैव ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेटेड। एज ऑफ मिस्टर ग्रोवर will be 3x, that means 3 multiply value of x is 12, 12 3s are 36. So this is the age of son which is 12 years, and this is the age of Mr. Grover which is 36 years. Next question, question number 12. Sunil is 48 year old. सुनील की एज कितनी गिवन है 48 years. He is 7 year less than 5 times his daughter's age. There will be daughter's age. Right? What is his daughter's age? तो daughter की age ही मान लेते हैं पहले, because daughter की age ही पूछी है. Right? They said he is 7 year less than 5 times his daughter's age. मतलब डॉटर की जो एज थी उसके 5 टाइम्स से 7 अगर लेस कर दिया जाए देन वी गेट द एज ऑफ सुनील एंड विच इज 48 years. सो फ्रॉम हियर फर्स्टली वी विल फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स. 48 प्लस 7, 5x इज इक्वल्स टू 8 plus 7, 15, 4 plus 1, 5. So x is equals to 55 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So this is the value of x. X is equals to 11. And what was x? Daughter's age, right? So in question also they were asking about the daughter's age. So daughter's age is 11 years. Always we mention age in years, right? Next question, question number 13. A number is 6 more than 2 times another number. एक नंबर है जो 6 more है, 6 ज़्यादा है 2 times that number. So मान लेते हैं नंबर क्या है x. तो another number क्या होगा 6 more होगा किससे 2 times दिस x. ये जो पहला नंबर था उसके 2 टाइम्स 6 ज़्यादा होगा अनदर नंबर. नेक्स्ट दिस सेट द सम ऑफ 2 नंबर्स इज 24. नाउ द सम ऑफ दिस नंबर एंड दिस नंबर इज 24. दे हैव गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. सो सम ऑफ x एंड 2x प्लस 6 इन दोनों नंबर्स का जो सम है that is equals to 24. Find the numbers. दोनों numbers निकालने हैं this one and this one. Clear? So firstly open the bracket. X plus 2x plus 6 is equals to 24. X can be written as 1x, right? 1x plus 2x 3x. Move this 6 to the another side. 24 minus 6. So 3x is equals to 18. Now from here you can easily find the value of x. X is equals to 18 divided by 3. 3 6 are 18. So this is the value of x. And what was x? X was the first number. So one number हमें मिल गया which is 6. Another number will be, another number क्या था 2 multiply x. What is the value of x? 6 plus 6. Then solve it. 2 6 are 12 plus 6 18. So the one number is 6, another number is 18. Next question, question number 14. 4 times Sonu's age decreased by 3. अगर सोनू की एज के 4 टाइम्स को डिक्रीज कर दिया जाए बाय 3, वी गेट 3 टाइम्स हिज एज इंक्रीज्ड बाय 7. जो उसकी एज 3 टाइम्स इंक्रीज करने के बाद होती है तब होती है. सो मान लेते हैं सोनूज एज भी x. पहले सोनू की एज ही मान लेते हैं. दिस सेट 4 टाइम्स, वन बाय वन चलते हैं सिस्टमैटिक वे में. 4 टाइम्स 4 times means 4 multiply x. 4 times x. 4 times Sonu's age decreased means subtract by 3 equals, जैसे बोला है वैसे लिख रहे हैं, equals to 3 times, that means 3 multiply his age, जो उनकी एज थी x, decreased by 7. decrease means minus, जैसे बोला था वैसे ही लिखा है. 4 times Sonu's age decreased by 3. 4 times सोनू की एज का किया एंड डिक्रीज कर दिया by 3 is equals to 3 times his age increased by 7. 3 times his age, this it increased, so increase means plus, right? Now we will solve it. 4 multiply x means 4x minus 3 is equals to 3 multiply x means 3x plus 7. Keep the variable to the left hand side and numbers to the right hand side. 4x minus 3x is equals to 7 plus 3. 4x minus 3x means 1x is equals to 10. 1x means x. So x is equals to 10. Right? And what was x? X means Sonu's age. Sonu's age is 10 years. You always write age in years. It means Sonu is 10 years old. Next question, question number 15. Find 3 consecutive numbers whose sum is 81. स्टूडेंट consecutive numbers क्या होते हैं? जो सीक्वेंस में होते हैं, लगातार होते हैं, लाइक 2 3 4 4 5 6 7 8 9, जिनमें 1 1 का डिफरेंस होता है, वो क्या होता है? consecutive numbers होते हैं. सो लेट 3 consecutive numbers are x, फर्स्ट x हो गया, नेक्स्ट विल बी x प्लस 1 क्योंकि 1 1 का डिफरेंस होगा ना, एंड नेक्स्ट विल बी, इसमें 1 ऐड कर देंगे, x प्लस 2. ये 3 consecutive numbers हो गए, राइट. नाउ दे सेड whose sum is 81, मतलब देयर सम क्या है? सम ऑफ x फर्स्ट consecutive नंबर प्लस सेकेंड consecutive नंबर प्लस थर्ड consecutive नंबर, इनका सम क्या है? दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 81. Simply you will find the value of x. This is also equals to 1x. So 1x plus, open the bracket, 1x plus 1. I am writing x as 1x plus 1x plus 2 is equals to 81. This 1x, this 1x, this 1x, all are of same sign and have same variable. So we will add them. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3x. Now this 1 plus this 2, it will become plus 3 is equals to 81. 3x, move this 3 to the another side, is equals to 81 minus 3. So 3x is equals to 78. 3x means 3 multiply x. So find the value of x. After moving to the another side, this 3 will be in division. So divided by 3. Division means 78 upon 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 6 are 18. So this is equals to 26. But this is just the value of x. उन्होंने क्या पूछा है? Find 3 consecutive numbers. तीनों consecutive numbers बताने हैं. So first number was x. X means 26, right? Second number was x plus 1, that means 26 plus 1, 27. And third was x plus 2. So x क्या है? 26. 26 में ऐड कर दो 2, 26, 27, 28, right? So 3 consecutive numbers whose sum is 81 are 26, 27 and 28. So students, with this question your exercise 7b is completed and your chapter 7th is also completed. In next class we will start the next chapter. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.